Hi everybody. I'm doing a series here on WordPress, and hopefully this will help you understand a little bit more about it while you're critiquing your blog. Right now I have you at the dashboard. What I want to go through, it'll probably be a short one, but hopefully somebody will find some use out of it. We're going to go through putting in a picture in a post. You just click on post and then they have those. You could also do it in a page. See, if we were to add a new page, it's the same really for the post. So we're just going to go through adding a new post. We'll enter a name. It can be anything. Hit enter. Now you can see down here you can edit it. So if later on you want to change it to something else, you can. Up here is an uploader insert. Now this is just one version of it. They have other ones, but this one, some of them have icons. This one doesn't. You just click on it to put a picture in. There we go. And we'll browse and look for a picture. Here on desktop we got, here's an owl. Let's just put that in. We click on it. It'll browse through it for yourself. If you wanted to go through a different folder, let's say we're going through pictures, you wanted this picture, click on it and open it, or inside this folder you could click on it and open it and it would show different pictures. There's a symbol. We'll just grab that one. Doesn't really matter which one we take. And click on upload and it'll show the picture down here. It's taking a little time here because I went into the folder. It takes a little longer than normal. That's alright. These pictures can be changed a lot, or whatever you need. For some reason it's taking entirely too long. Let's just cancel that one. I'll go back to where we had it. Get to see it again. Click on upload, browse. We'll just take one off the desktop. It just takes a little longer when you're doing it. Clicked on owl, open, and upload. There's the picture. Now you can edit the image. It says here right below it. If I wanted to change it, I can flip it side to side. I can turn it upside down, turn it, rotate it either direction. That's just part of it. If you wanted to change the scale of it, you can. I'll show you an easier way to do it. Here you could do it 2-to-1 ratio, or however you wanted to do it. But that's if we wanted to alter that. You have the same thing on the other, which is these justifications in the text, whatever you want it to say. I'm just going to say we didn't want to, so I'm going to cancel this right now. So if we wanted to edit the image, we could. We also have the same options here. I'm just going to change this title. We're going to say it's not the fastest typer. Title is our picture. The caption that'll be underneath it will be owl. And We could actually put a link to it. Well, it actually has a link right there, so we'll just leave that there, and that'll link it back to this. Your alignment or justification of the picture. If you have it on none or on center, it will not have any words beside the picture. It'll be above the wording. If you were to put it on left or right, the words will be on each side of it, the opposite side of it. Now, we'll show you more about that in a little bit here. Thumbnails is for a very small picture, full sizes. See, it shows you the pixels here. And then you could have it medium or large, whichever you prefer. We're going to leave this on none for right now, and I'll show you the different options that are available with it. I'm going to insert in the post. You could save the changes for later and then come back to the picture. We're not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to insert it into our post. There it is. And if I wanted to have some wording, then we'd put okay. We'll get into putting more information in there on a later date. But for right now, we're just worrying about the picture. So right now we have it here on the left hand side. It has no justification. Now, oh, also, I wanted to tell you, there's your owl. If you hover over top of it, there's our picture that we typed in. You could put any information on it. You want to personalize it for your own blog, mainly because that way when Google searches for it, they're searching for you. And also when people hover over the picture, it doesn't say somebody else's name on it. We're going to preview this. And here it is. I'm just using this site right now. There's our caption of anything. Owl. They hover over the picture, says our picture, and there's this is our blog. Alright. Now, I'm going to get out of that for right now because I want to show you some other things about this. If you click on the picture, then you left click, it shows you to erase the picture if you wanted to. It shows you the edit mode here to edit the image. You can also resize it at will by just going over these squares. If I want to make it a little bigger, I can. If I want to make it elongated, I can. Whichever you prefer to do. Alright. And if you want to edit the picture, then you click on this icon. And here it shows the wording. See how the wording is underneath it? Because it's none. If I was to go center, it shows the wording underneath it. Now if I want the words going up the side, left or right, I put the picture on the opposite side that I want. See how the words go all the way up. Same way with the right side. The words go all the way up. Okay, and that's how we can edit it. We can, down here at the bottom, update. Now it's over there. If you look at our words are over here on the side now rather than below it. And then you can always save it as a draft or publish it immediately, whichever you want to do. We'll get into more things that you can do with your posts in a later date. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.